assess, analyze, identify risk of the concluding of the significance. Assess by conventing it is used only in the relation to risk. Also see evaluation, assertion. Sees audit assertion with the financial information. Assessor is coming to conclusion. He's finding something, analyzing the data and come to a conclusion. Sir, we assess that this is the problem. The words will be used. Mm. As per our analysis, we come to a conclusion as based on assessment, based on our assessed procedures, we come to this conclusion. Such a way these words will be used. It is by convening that that kind of things is being found. So we need to assess the risk, find the risk. What is the risk will be assess the risk and compute the risk. That is also a way. So we need to see through how thing because computation of the risk is totally different. Assess the risk is totally different. So assessing we thinking of based upon the given thing based upon the data based upon the past record of the client we are assessing the risk to see this number of vouchers this might we are assessing the risk of this fixed asset register there will be no error we are assessing the risk based upon the previous engagement we need to completely check the litigation department such a way